create anchor links to another page in Elementor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll tell you how to create anchor links to another pages or different pages in Elementor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we want to do is you want to come over here onto our dashboard over here, and then what we want to do is you want to go into the post section, or open up posts, right, or click on all posts and open that up. So I have a few posts over here. I'll go ahead and open up, actually I'll go into this page where I have all the posts over here. I created an all post page right here. I'll click on view, I'll open it up, and here we got these posts, right? All these posts are available over here. Click on read more, we can read them over here, and yeah, it looks good. Now what if I wanted to add, links over here onto these websites or these options right here, and it would take them over to the website that I am I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and add that. So we're going to go ahead and go back over here, and we're going to edit with Elementor. And we actually don't really need Elementor, but still, if you want to use Elementor, you can. If you don't have Elementor, you can still use the exact same method on any other builder as well. Okay, so accidentally clicked on edit the page. I want to edit this post, so we'll click on edit post, and now we're going to go into the editor. And now here we go. So now we can edit with Elementor, and we should be good to go. All right, here we go. So first things first, this is the post right here. And what we want to do is we want to select the text that we want. So if we want, let's say this text right here, right? So let's say ChatGPT, this is the text that we want, right? We'll highlight it. And then here you can see we have this little link button. This is the link where we want to add it. So since it's ChatGPT, what I'll do is I'll open chatgpt.com. Go ahead and open up the website over here. So this is the website. So we'll just copy this, come back over here and paste the link, including the HTTPS. Boom. So as simple as that. You can also do it over here. So over here on the left hand side, if you select the text here, you've got the link option. Here you can paste the link and click the enter. Boom, it is now available. So now you can see this is now an anchor link. So now whenever someone clicks on it, they'll be taken over to this page right here. And you can do this for any other website as well, your own website as well. So let's say now for Notion AI, we'll do the exact same thing. This is it, notion.com. So AI, we'll go ahead and copy the link and just paste that over there as well. So again, scroll down, select Notion AI, click on the link button, and just simply paste the link and click on enter and apply. Boom, it is now done. We can do the exact same thing for Grammarly as well. So we're going to come back over here, type in Grammarly, go to the Grammarly website, and just copy the link, scroll down, select the text, click on the link button, paste the text over here, paste the link, hit the apply button. Boom, we got our anchor links. So now you know how you can add anchor links. And here we'll go with Otter AI as well. You can actually just select the text over here on the left hand side. You don't even need to go ahead and add that as well. So here again, we'll paste the link for that as well. Boom. Now how does that work? Right now we just simply publish it, we save it, and now if we go ahead and open up, view the changes, right, open up, view the app, view the block point. Now if we just simply click over here, you can see it's already highlighted, which means that we can go ahead and actually open up this link, right? So if you click on the characters, it takes us directly to the links. These are now our anchor links, like so. This is Notion. We can also open up Grammarly and Otter AI as well. And of course, let's say that if you have a page that has all of the poster of this article, right, the creator of this article or whatever, if someone wants to read more articles about that person, you can add their name over here, and you can add like the anchor link of that person over here into another page of your website. So for example, I'll just do this. I'll edit this with Elementor, and here on this side, actually it's already opened up. So yeah, I'll just exit it and I'll go back to the dashboard. Should be around here. Yeah, go back to the dashboard, and here I'll just add like a random page, create a random page, and I'll just name it creator like this one, and we'll just publish it. This will create us our page, and now we'll click on publish, and I'll also go ahead and view it. I'll also copy the link just in case and view it. Now coming back over here onto this page, now that it's loaded up, all right, so let's say that at the end here, we'll just say written by, there we go. We'll just add that text over there like so. And here we'll select James, and here we'll click on link, and paste the URL to that creator page. Click on save, and now James is set over here. Then if we just simply publish it, it'll work exactly the same way. If people click on the page, let's go ahead and view the page. If we click on the word, like we click on the page, it'll take us to the creator page, and that's how we can, link our own website's page to that word or to that specific anchor point. Now, some websites have this little hover effect over here as well, but I don't think WordPress offers that. You do need to install like plugins and stuff like that if you want that kind of effect on your anchor links. But I would not recommend it, since too many plugins can slow down your website. So I would just stick with this. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. So if you come over here on the style, here you can see right here, text color and link color right here. So here you can go ahead and change it to whatever color you want. You can see right here, theme band, theme alternate band. So I think this is it, right? If we change it to something else, we could go with that one, maybe like a bluish color. Got it. Now it's a little bit darker. Maybe we go with brighter color, like this one. Something like this one would look good. Yeah, so you can go ahead and change these colors as well. You can also change like the typography as well, but you can see right here, primary text, these are all accents ones. So if you select accent, I think that might change. Yeah, I think it is. It's not, but we can also add like shadows and blurs and stuff like that, although I would not recommend it. Keep it 0 is better. So yeah, paragraph spacing, you can increase the spacing. Here is the hover effect that I was talking about. You can see right here. If you transition duration, if you can click over here, you can select it, but this is the link color, although I don't think so. Here you can see now that I've changed the color to red. Now if I hover it, you can see right here the text color changes to red. So this is like a hover effect. Some websites have this effect where the text is warped, like expanded. Some websites have this like effect where the text is warped, so it gets enlarged, or like a proper hover effect. But I think this is still okay as well. This is like a close second. But yeah, now that it's done, we can then go ahead and just simply save it, publish it, boom, we're good to go. So there you go. Now you have differentiated the anchor links as well. Now you know how to create anchor links, how you can link your own website's page to your own words, and how you can link other website pages as well. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can create anchor links within your WordPress website. So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online, and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner, and you'll be good to go. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.